What we do, YouTube, my name is Arthur, back again with another video. So in this video, we're gonna scan for triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities live in this video, and of course we're gonna try to scan for opportunities on different crypto exchanges. As you can see right now, the scanner is supporting a lot of crypto exchanges right here, including Bybit and all the big crypto exchanges, right? So in this video, this is exactly what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about triangular crypto arbitrage. As you can see, this is a scanner that I'm using in this video, right? And good thing is that this scanner has got an AI that pretty much selects profitable opportunities that are available. So this is actually one of the reasons why I've been using this scanner, you know what I mean? So you can also take a look at all the features that it has right here. The link is going to be in the description below as well. And these are all the crypto exchanges that is supporting and stuff like that. So we don't want to waste a lot of time. The link is going to be in the description below as well. Or you can just go to guides and it's going to guide you pretty much anything. And if you need support, you go to support. But other than that, let's just get right into it and scan for opportunities, right? So as you can see right now, I have to select the crypto exchange that you want to trade on, right? So I've got an account with Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, Get.io. You know that I always trade on KuCoin because there's always 24/7 opportunities on KuCoin. So in this video, we can try like $200 like this, right? Like this, and want to see the top 10 opportunities and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and click scan. So as you can see right now, I've got at least 8 opportunities, and this is the total profit of all the opportunities that we found right here put together with the 200 USD. All right, so the average profit is like 2.16%, 2.16%, and you can pretty much repeat up to 23 trades right here, you know what I mean? So all the 23 trades put together, we should expect at least 22% from all the opportunities that we found. So this is what is all about right here. And right here, as you can see, that first opportunity is BTC to Ethereum, then from Ethereum to USDT right here, and gonna at least get like 2.45%, right? And it's followed by this one 1.87%, and this one 3.12%. So this is actually also a good one right here. But let's just take a first one, BTC to ETH, then to USDT, then back to BTC. This one look a little bit easier and better, you know what I mean? So you guys can also understand. So all right, so as you can see, we logged in right here, and let's quickly go to trade, and we're gonna have to buy some BTC. All right, some BTC. Let's search BTC to USDT right here on top, and then we're just gonna spend the whole balance that we have, which is 150, as you can see right here, 100%, and let's get some BTC. All right, here we go. So as you can see, now we have got BTC worth 0.00128472, right? So now we're gonna have to sell this BTC to Ethereum. All right, so let's just type right here ETH to BTC right here is down minus 0.05%. all right, so now we're gonna have to buy some Ethereum using BTC that we have, which is 0.001128472, right? So we're spending 100%. Let's use a market order so that it's gonna go through immediately. We're spending 100% right here. It's like this. All right, so actually triangular crypto arbitrage is actually the easiest way, to make some profits in crypto right now. So now we have got some Ethereum, all right, 0.0347165 worth of Ethereum. So now we're gonna have to sell this Ethereum to USDT. All right, so search right here ETH to USDT. ETH to USDT right here. All right, now you're gonna have to sell this ETH to USDT, ETH right here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and then click 100% like this, 100%, and then click sell ETH. All right, just like that is done. So if we check here, you can see that now we have 153 USDT right here, as you can see, because we started with at least 150. Now we made an extra $3, right? Because on the scanner we also had like 2.5%, if I'm not mistaken. You can go back to the video and check, but this is what I have now by simply taking advantage of the opportunities that we have. So the opportunities are not like crazy, like 10%, 20% and stuff like that. It's like, you know, 2, 4 or 6% sometimes. You know what I mean? So by doing this and over again, you're really gonna have some solid profits at the end of the day. So this is it. I just want to show you guys how exactly you can take advantage of all the opportunities from the scanner. And of course, all the links gonna be in the description below. So guys, therefore, send the video, love and peace, and cheers guys.